Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to see who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. To start this tutorial, I'm gonna need you to open and locate your Instagram application. Once there, click on your profile on the bottom right. And then on your profile, click on your followers. On the followers list, go to Following. Once you're in Following, scroll down and click on the account that you want to check if ever they're following you back. In Rahim's account, I'm going to click on Followers or Following to check if he follows me. I'm going to click on Following this time. Wait for it to load. Once the Following tab has loaded, your account should be on top. Or you could also search for your very own account to verify if they have followed you back already. In here, it says it follows me. There's no button or whatsoever. That's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.